Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you guys how you can send messages and voice notes, like voice memos on Snapchat. And I'm just going to select on this chat, and I'm just going to write down, hi, and then to send a voice recording, you're just gonna tap on this mic and press to record. If you want to cancel, you're just going to slide it and delete it. But if you want to send it, you're just going to release the recording button. So as you can see, I'm just going to say hello, and then I'm just going to send it to this person. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching.